Hello mga sexy loves! So for today's video, it's another Sunday, another family day. As we made the reservations here in Movenpick Grand Albustan, we are going to get a chance to meet a good friend of mine, Leon. It is a 5-star luxury hotel located in the heart of Dubai. By the way, the hotel is very near to the airport. And if you're looking for a comfortable and upscale stay in Dubai, this hotel is definitely worth considering. We actually made the reservations to have an a la carte menu. However, Makan Restaurant is another great dining option worth exploring. Kaya we decided to have the buffet here in Makan. For only 189 per person, ma-enjoy mo na ang live cooking stations where you can get freshly prepared dishes. It is also often features wide array of dishes ranging from international favorites to local specialties. You can find also a mix of appetizers for vegetarian and non-vegetarians. Meron din silang Japanese food, guys. Here is Chloe and she's trying the chocolate cake. That she loves it. Sobrang daming pagpipilian ng main courses dito. Make sure to make your reservations in advance, especially during the peak dining hours or during weekends. Kasi mga sexy loves, busy talaga yung restaurant. Kasi ang dami talagang pagpipilian na pagkain. Mabubusog kayo lalo dito sa mixed grill na to. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na station dito sa lahat. Yes! Sobrang may enjoy mo talaga at ng buong family. Included na nga palang unlimited drinks like soft drinks and mineral water. Wow! Dito sa station na to, available ang Indian dishes as well as the Arabic dishes like uzi and chicken biryani, one of my favorites. Hindi rin po magpapahuli ang cheese stations kasi dahil nga ito ay isang branch, syempre meron silang different kinds of cheese. At sa sobrang dami nga ng pagpipilian dito sa buffet, marami akong na-miss na pagkain pero syempre hindi ko palalagpasin ang kunafa cheese. At dahil hindi pa nagtatapos ang for today's video ng mamshi ninyo, so samahan nyo kami dito sa Bambuda, which is originally dito kami talaga nagpa-reserve ng table. Sobrang ganda ng ambience. It's so stylish and contemporary decor blending traditionally with Asian elements with a modern design. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito sa loob. The atmosphere is usually elegant and so inviting, making it a great place to relax for lunch or dinner or pwede rin naman ng coffee and shisha time. Which is after our lunch is nagshisha kami dito. At syempre, nagkwentuhan at nagkape. If you will get the chance to visit the Movenpick Albustan, please look for Mr. Leon. He's the F&B manager here. Sobrang accommodating, sobrang maasikaso, very attention to details kapag nagpa-reserve kayo, lalo kapag may mga events kayo. Ang dress code nga pala dito is generally has a smart casual, so dressing appropriately will enhance your dining experience and perfect na perfect talaga para sa mga Instagram post ninyo or mga Facebook or TikTok posting ninyo. So this is a perfect place for you, your family, and your friends. At sa sobrang relaxing nga talaga ng lugar, pa-cheers pa kami ng kumari ko, B. At hindi magiging makasaysayan ang pagbisita mo dito sa Bambuda kung hindi mo ito try ang mango sticky rice. Ibang atake din ang ganap nitong mango sticky rice na to. Ibang presentation and yes, it was so perfect also sa taste buds namin. Iba-iba talaga ang presentation.
Yummy!
Ang tamis na mangga. May makapuno. Tapos may coconut. Ang sarap.
Can I try the mango?
And that will be all for today's video. Goodbye and God bless.